Now I'd like to introduce you our app development guide app. In particular, I'm showing you what features that it has and what's relevant to know when it comes to licensing the app. So now this is what the app looks like. This is iOS and this Android. Notice it looks different. That's because it's native. So the buttons here look different. This is Android button and this is iOS button. Now, there are two main reasons why this app might be interesting to you. The first one is, especially if you're non-developer, in the app, the source code of the app shows you it's actually very easily written, so it's not highly sophisticated. Obviously it works, it doesn't have any memory leaks or whatever, but it's one of the purposes of the app is actually to show you how things work. And obviously the easier something is written, the easier it's to understand, and the easier you can reproduce it for your own apps. So this is one reason. There are a lot of comments in the app itself, and combine that with the video tutorials, especially of the third part of the app development guide. That is about the client, how to create your client, how to write your client code. These things, when you watch them and when you look at the source code, it's rather easy actually to learn from them and apply them for your own custom features and write your own custom features with that. So apart from that, this is the first reason, to the ease of use and that you can easily learn from the code. The second reason is that it's a very pragmatic reason, because it simply saves you a lot of time, because the app, as you see here, it contains a complete cross-platform app navigation. Right now here there are five menus. There's actually a second menu here as well, and with corresponding pages, app pages. You can either here, for instance, you use this is a list view that contains videos. This is Vimeo. Here the same is YouTube. So all this is already included, and you don't have to worry about that. The other thing is it's a completely user integration. So here this is a user profile. The user can log out when he wants to log in again. There's a different, see this. All of that user can of course register, so you don't have to worry about that at all. It saves you a lot of time. You don't have to worry about user registration, like basic integration of videos either on Vimeo or on YouTube can very easily be integrated. There is basics of payment, so user can order points. Here this is in beta version. So the user can order points here, either with pay with Stripe or order points where just a Drupal node is created. Also importantly, let's go back. The design engine, this is very handy because it allows you to style the app quite quickly. The basic idea is that you figure out a couple of different colors that go very well with each other, and choose a couple of fonts, and then you have the app basically. So here you choose the heading font, and here you choose the text font. You select it, and then you easily see then how the app looks like. More illustrative probably when changing the colors. Here there is here you choose if you want to have like 3 colors or only like 2 main colors, and here you choose the type. Then you select okay, the heading should be like in this color, and the background of the fields should be in this color. The frame border should be in this color. Let's make the background well, this is not very nice. See, here you can play around with these colors, set them. And now you'll see this design engine is actually very handy to quickly speed up the development time, because you figure out a couple of colors, a couple of fonts, and you're all set. You don't have to spend a lot of time on that. Obviously, if your app is gonna get really nice and very well, then you can worry about like making the design look perfectly neat and really appealing. But initially, just to get the apps out there that look okay and nice, that's perfectly fine. So with designing the app, when you use this design engine in the app, you probably spend like an hour or 2 hours, and you don't have to worry about the design anymore by using the design engine. Now a little bit about licensing. When you buy it, you can buy it in a bundle with a subscription, a 2-month subscription. You cannot buy it only the app alone. You need to buy it with a subscription. But the idea is actually that you take the app development guide, that you watch then the video tutorials that are relevant, and then use the app, our source code, and modify the app and our source code. Watch especially the third part of the app development guide that is about the client. Watch them in together, and then quickly develop your own apps. Now you can use it for a maximum of 5 app projects, of your own app projects. So you cannot like buy this app and then use this app for other people to, like, if you develop apps for other people, you cannot do that. It's intended for people who want to implement their own app ideas and to become appreneurs. So for these people this is intended. So you in 5 projects, that should be certainly enough. 5 concurrent projects that are published in the App Store on your app profile. Here there is the link is indicated here where you can buy it. It's the ADG bundle. When you buy it, it includes app updates for 1 year for free of charge. So intended is now that we do something about geolocation, so getting the user information, putting in Google Maps, something like that, and making the Stripe payment actually work very well. Also with the newest Stripe API, there is an issue now that doesn't work very well. So this is to improve the Stripe payment processing, the credit card payment processing. This is on the roadmap for the next couple of months. Also, like the source code cannot be distributed, so you can use it for your own projects, but you cannot, for instance, publish it on GitHub on public repositories. This is not possible. We're thinking about releasing the source code to the app, eventually making it open source, but this will depend. There has been a lot of time spent into creating this, so we need to make sure that actually a little bit of money comes back in, and then we see how this goes. Then we eventually actually might potentially release it to the public, but certainly not within the next year. So I hope this shows you a little bit about what the app is capable of. And personally, I really think it's very well, it's money well spent, because you can focus then on developing your custom features. You don't have to worry about user registration. You don't have to worry about payments. You just write a couple of JavaScript files for your custom features, and you're all set. So I hope this tutorial gave you an overview and shows you what the app is capable of, what its main features are. And yeah, thanks for watching.